Okay, this is your very beginning. You're going to want, when you set up your new system, you're going to want to connect up to a Click PLC to your Python application. To do that, you're going to want to go into your actual Automation Direct Click application like you see here. Connect up to your PLC, accept wherever you want to connect to, and just read it in. This will give you your current application that's in that Click PLC. So to set this up to interface with the Python, you're going to need to transfer all those addresses. Double left click the address picker. You'll see everything that's on there. Click the display only used. That will give you just the application bits, all the inputs, outputs, bits, integers, floats, all your timers, counters, everything in your application you already have written. Click on the display Modbus address, let it default to 984, click the export. It'll assume those two defaults that you've already selected, say export. Here you can just simply select, you'll want to basically put it in the data underscore click that you see here, which is what Python assumes is your default to go grab all of those. We'll just reuse what we currently have here. Say save. It's going to save it as a CSV file. You want to ensure you just saved it. So if you want to take a look at that, that's pretty quick and easy to do too. You can use anything like a notepad or Excel to look at it. It's a CSV comma separated variable, which is a really nice simple transfer for anything. So looking at it with notepad here, I'll take a quick look. You can see this is what you've got, what you selected, all your used ones. You can see your bits, everything's defined. Your address, type, Modbus, initial values, all that is what the Python application is going to look at when you start adding what tags you want it to use. That'll get you started up there. We'll go over in later applications on configuring your Python application.